Hi guys, if you are planning to visit Singapore or if you are already here in Singapore, please check out iLight at Marina Bay. Kasama na din dito yung mga malalapit na lugar tulad ng Raffles Place, NUS, Helix Bridge, and many more. Starting today, May 29 hanggang 21st June. Sunday to Thursday, 7:30 PM to 11 PM. Friday and Saturday naman, 7:30 PM hanggang 12 midnight. And it's free. Wala kang babayaran. Free admission. It showcases light art installation, energy-saving lightings, and eco-friendly materials. A diverse range of activities for visitors. Marami kayong pwedeng magawa. You can interact with it, take photo, admire the installation na gawa ng mga Singaporeans and other international artists. After your morning and afternoon plans, you can head out to iLight Singapore. Subscribe kung hindi pa. Thanks for watching.